Ang regalo, may regalo para kay nanay, kulay asul ang balot. Binuksan niya ang regalo, may bagong damit. Nagpasalamat si nanay, tuwang-tuwa siya. Suot niya ito sa espesyal na okasyon. Mahal na mahal niya kami. So, ang regalo, the gift. So, a regalo is a gift. May regalo para kay nanay. May is there is or there are. So, there is a gift for mother. Nanay is mother or mom. Para kay is for. Kulay asul ang balot. So, kulay is color. Asul is blue. And balot is like the wrapper or the wrapping. So, the wrapper is colored blue. Binuksan niya ang regalo. Bukas is like open. Binuksan is to open. So, she opened the gift. May bagong damit. So, there is a new dress or a clothing. So, bago is new. And then, a damit is like a shirt. Or it can also be a dress. So, there's a new dress, new shirt, new clothing. So, nagpasalamat si nanay. So, salamat is like thank you. So, nagpasalamat. So, mother is thankful. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Tuwa is like thankful or happy. So, double happy. Tuwang-tuwa is very happy. So, suot niya ito sa espesyal na okasyon. Suot is like wear. And then, ito is this. Especial is a special. And then, an occasion is an occasion. So, she wears this on a special occasion or on special occasions. Mahal na mahal niya kami. Mahal means like love. It also means expensive in a way. Mahal na mahal is very love. So, she loves us very much. Ang regalo. May regalo para kay nanay. Kulay asul ang balot. Binuksan niya ang regalo. May bagong damit. Nagpasalamat si nanay. Tuwang-tuwa siya, suot niya ito sa espesyal na okasyon, mahal na mahal niya kami.